Good morning, guys! Welcome to day 4 of our Costa Serena adventure, and this time, we finally set foot in Japan! Let me take you through our day in Ishigaki Island, a tropical paradise that's part of Okinawa, Japan. Since maaga ang alis ng ship today, we made sure maaga din kami gumising. Plus, may 1-hour time adjustment kaya kailangan talaga on time. By around 7 a.m. in Japan time, we docked at Ishigaki port and waiting for us outside was our bus for the day's tour. Ishigaki is a small island. Tropical vibes and feels na parang nasa beach country ka. Pero, Japan pa rin ang setting. Our first stop, syempre, Don Quixote! This is Japan's famous discount store and grabe, sobrang mura talaga ng mga bilihin dito. Lalo na since it's tax-free. Feeling ko nga mga kababayan natin halos gusto nang pakyawin lahat ng items. Perfect spot for pasalubong shopping. After shopping, we headed to the Ishigaki Stalactite Cave. Imagine, ang ganda ng whole place and this used to be the sea floor. And dahil sa movement ng Earth's crust over thousands of years, nabuo ang mga stalactites. It was such a beautiful natural wonder, though short lang ang stop about 30 minutes. So next up, we went to Kabira Bay for a glass-bottom boat ride. This was one of the highlights. Hindi daw pwedeng mag-swimming dito kasi may mga sea creatures na dangerous. But through the boat, we got to see the amazing marine life, the turtles, the sea snakes, colorful fishes, and corals. The ocean here is so biodiverse. Sobrang ganda talaga. So after the boat ride, we ate lunch at some nearby food stalls, authentic local flavors to recharge for the day. Then, we were brought to a black pearl shop. Ishigaki is also famous for its cultured black pearls, and dito, pwede kang bumili if you want a unique souvenir or gift from Japan. By mid-afternoon, it was time to head back to the ship since sailing was set to 4 p.m. As we sailed away, we were greeted by the most breathtaking sunset in Japan. Truly magical, living up to the country's name as the land of the rising sun. And that wraps up our day 4 in Ishigaki, Japan. From shopping at Don Quixote, exploring ancient caves, riding at Kabira Bay, tasting local food, and even visiting a black pearl shop, it was such a unique and memorable day. But the journey isn't over yet. Abangan nyo ang next video kung saan ipapakita ko naman ang onboard activities habang pauwi na tayo ng Pilipinas. Abangan!